How to use a gift card in Walmart. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can use or redeem a gift card in Walmart. In order to use or redeem a gift card in Walmart, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Now go ahead and open up a browser, log into your Walmart. In order to log in walmart.com on the search box right on top, and after that it's going to direct you to the official page. Tap on the login button, enter in your credential and log into your account. After you're logged into your account, it will direct you to the home page. Right on this page, tap on the account button located in the top right hand side corner and the drop down menu appears. From there, click on accounts. Now that directs you to the account info page, and then you need to scroll down a bit, go to section of wallets. Underneath, click on payment method. It's gonna take you to the payment page. We're gonna ask you to provide in your card details and all sort of details. So in order to redeem a gift, click on the gift card option. So over here you need to provide in a card number, the PIN and the gift card nickname. So all sort of information will be located on the card. All you have to do is just type in the information, scroll down a bit. Once you've done that, click on the save card button. Whenever you're making a purchase, you can use the gift card as a way of payment method and you can get a certain amount of discount. In this way you can use your gift card or add a gift card on your Walmart. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.